why the sea is salty. Long ago, the sea was fresh water. Villagers ran out of salt, so they asked the kind giant Angalus to stretch his leg across the sea as a bridge to the salt island. While carrying heavy sacks of salt, ants bit Angalus' foot. He could not stand the edge, pulled his leg back, and all the salt fell into the sea and dissolved. Since then, the sea has become salty. The story map, characters, villagers, giant Angalus, ants, setting, seaside village, beginning. The sea was not salty before. People ran out of salt and could not cross the sea to get more. Middle, giant Angalus offered help. He stretched his leg across the sea as a bridge. Villagers carry sacks of salt across him as ants bit Angalus' foot badly, and Angalus pulled his leg back from the edge. All the salt fell into the sea. The sea became salty forever.